Hello guys, welcome to this episode of my video. This is Grafix right here. In this video I'll be showing you how to create this simple yet splendid flyer, business flyer right here. So without wasting my time, please let's dive into it. Alright, so if this is your first time visiting this channel, please do it to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section, like this video, and please do it to share to your friends for them to also get it. Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you all the tricks, all the hacks in creating the simple flyer right there. I'll be leaving all the resources, all the materials here in the description, right in the description. So go ahead and check it out and download it to guide you in your design. Alright, so let's go ahead and start our work. So delete the text as we don't need it like as it stands or right now, and we're going to change the size of the background. We don't need this background. You can just go here and then change the image size, but today I'm not going to use the option. Use the three buttons right here. Can you see it? Alright, so click on use image from gallery. Use image from a gallery. Alright, so I want to use image from a gallery to the background. So use this white background and crop it this way. Alright, go ahead and change the color to this color. Okay, so your background is all set. Your background is set. So we are moving on to adding shapes, images, text to make our work or creativity come out. Alright, so go ahead and add shape. So select this circular shape right here, increase the size a bit, change the color to red right here. Very simple. Copy this image, copy this shape, change the color right here to white. Alright, and then decrease the size. Place this right in the middle of the work using the relative position method. This same applies to the second shape as well. So all is said, go ahead and merge the two shapes right from here and then erase color. You can see, very simple. Yes, very simple, very simple. Okay, so go ahead and increase the size to somewhere. Put it somewhere here. Can you see it? Put it somewhere here and then copy. Yes, and place that one to, okay, so move this one a bit somewhere here, place this one somewhere here. Yes, so all is set. Okay, so go ahead and lock the two shapes from not interrupting in other activities. So go ahead and add another circular shape right here. So this time around we're going to fill the space that we raised with this circular shape right here. So go ahead and increase it to make sure it's filled exactly the space being left right here. You see, yes, this way. Good. You're doing great job. You're doing great job right there. Okay, so go ahead and copy it the same way, position this way right here. Alright, so go ahead and merge all the four shapes right here. Merge all the four shapes right there. And then click on erase color. You see, very simple this way, and then go ahead and lock it. Good. So our shape is all set. Our shape is ready. So we're going to add some images to it to make it very realistic, very nice. So go to your gallery and then click on this nice image right here, as I've put it in the description. So click on this image and then use this circular to adjust it, because this shape is circular in nature to make it very interesting. You can go ahead and crop it if this is not okay for you, as it's not okay for me. So you can go ahead and crop it. Okay, it's your work, so Charlie, you can do anything to it to achieve what you think is very good for your client. You see, it's all about our clients, their specifications, what they want. So try to always meet what they want. Okay, all right, so let's move on. Add another image from your gallery from here. Okay, so we're adding this second image right here, so add it from here. Decrease the size to fill the shape right there, so set that one to back. You see, this way very simple, and then go ahead and lock it from not interrupting in other works. Okay, so this is cool. You see, this is very cool. We are not done, we are still continuing. We want to add some customized shapes to our work. You see, at times if you are working and all you see is some boring squares, boring rectangles, like like squares, rectangles, very boring. So I want to add some like shapes. For instance, a polygonal shape, a circular shape, an arc. It makes your work like very interesting. So as this time, I'm going to use a polygonal shape to make our work very interesting. I'm going to use a-sided polygon, which is octagon, an octagonal shape. So let's go ahead and add shape. But before that, let me show you the image that I'm adding that shape to. I'm using this cap right here, bucket heart right here, this very nice heart right here, this one. So you hide it for now and go to shapes. So okay, so go to shapes. Add this a-sided polygon right there, you see, and change the color, increase the size a bit, place it right in the middle of the work. Can you see it? Alright, go ahead and copy it, change the color to white. It's the same process, can you see, with the erasing of color, everything. Just click it, place that one to right in the middle of the work like this. Can increase it a bit and make your work very interesting. All right there. Go ahead and merge the two shapes. You see, this way. But we are not going to erase the color. Do you know why? Yes, we are not going to erase the color because the background, look at this, the background of the image is white. You see, and I've set the background of this shape to be white too. Do you know why I did that? You see, if you are working, you have to be very creative. You have so many ways of customizing the shape, and as we journey through our training, I will be showing you all the tricks, all the hacks in customizing your shape. But for now, use this method to get your work done. Okay, so go ahead and crop this image right there. Use the circular distance, use the relative position, use this one too to position your work very nicely right in the middle. Just go ahead and decrease it. You see, your image is right in the center of the shape, so go ahead and merge the two, the shape and then the image. Okay, oh sorry, before that let me copy this one because we'll be using it for another one. So let me copy it and hide it. Yeah, let me copy it and hide it. We'll be using it for another one, so you need it. Yeah, sure. Go ahead and merge these two right there, so you can see it. Our shape is being customized. We've added our image right to it, and this is very interesting. I'm going to speed up this video because I'm going to repeat that same step in the next one that I'm going to do. So stay tuned as I speed up the video a bit. Alright, so the next one we are adding is this cell shape, but that's a different trick. You see that one, let me show you the image first. It doesn't come with a white background. It doesn't come with a white background. This one right there, yes, this is what we want to add, but it doesn't come with a white background. So what are we going to do? Let me show you different way of doing that. You can go ahead and hide all these things because we don't want it to disrupt what you're trying to do. Yes, we want a space for our work, so you can hide it and just still work. So go ahead and add this shape, a square. Yes, add a square like this. Change the color to this one, right there. Position right in the middle of the work. Okay, lock it. Add another shape, which is your polygon again. You see, this way, white. Make the two shapes. It being made. Yes. Go to erase color. Erase the color again. Good. Then change the color of this one to white. Again, change it to white like this. Great, you are doing great. Position it right in the center of the work as it is. Good. Lock it. Great. And then show your image. Yes, it's here. Bring it behind the shape like this. Can you see? Good. Let's continue. Okay, so doing so like this, go ahead and merge the two, the image and then the shape. Can you see right from here? Go ahead and erase color. Click on erase color. Can you see right from here? And then move the tolerance to 0. This is very, very simple. And then change the stroke. Enable the stroke. You can increase it a bit. Change the color to red. Can you see this way? This is very, very simple. Compare it to the this one. You can compare and then change the stroke to merge or to be in line with the first one. Can you see? So you can change the stroke to be in line with the first one. Great. So this is another trick. This is the second trick that you have to learn, and it's very, very necessary. So let me bring all these things back to arrange our works. So let me bring them back so I can arrange the works. So let's go ahead and add another shape to a customized shape to the work. What you're going to add is just a square this thing. So just go ahead and introduce our image and then introduce some stroke on it. That's all. For a square and then circle is very, very easy. Okay, so just click on from gallery, add your image right from here, this image. Okay, so just reduce the size. You can even crop it if you think it's too long, as it is for me. You can even crop it to the size that you want. You see. So all that you're going to do is just this is a size. What you're going to do is just introduce stroke. That's it. Change the color to red. There you go. If the stroke is just reduce it. The stroke width, just reduce it. If you think it's too yeah, just reduce it. This is the size. Rotate it to fit to the work. So let's continue to add our last image for this work, our very last image for this particular work right here. And the shape that we are going to choose, is the circular shape. So just like this, choose the circular shape, and then you are good to go, just like this. And then the stroke comes in. All right, change the color. The stroke width about 5, and then decrease the size. Send it all the way back here to all the works. Okay, so I'm done with all the shapes, all the images been added. So we are going ahead to add some text to make our work complete. So our first text is here. Just edit it. The name is anywhere. Alright, like this. Click on OK. Okay, so go ahead and change the color to this color right there. Okay, change the font to the Snowstormcraft T. This font, I will leave the font right in the description so you can check it out and download it. Okay, so anywhere right there. Okay, so we added this shape to make it very interesting. So you can go ahead and add it to make it very, very interesting. Okay, so use the position tool. Use the position tool from here. Okay, go ahead and change the color from here. Use the gradient tool. Sure, just copy. Just copy. Position it. Okay, so make it is very thin. Okay, and then rotate it. Can you see from here? To 90 degrees. Rotate it to 90 degrees. 90 degrees, okay. And then position it again. It's very, very tedious work, but we gotta do it. You're gonna do it, okay? Very, very tedious, but how to say? You're gonna do it. Okay, so it's right here, and then add another text. Right here. Anywhere you can think of. Anywhere you can think of. So add these 3 dots preceding. Okay, and then change the color to white. Here, change the font to Pacifico. Okay, it's right here. Then we do the side. Just go ahead and redo the side. Just go ahead and reduce the side. So you can change the add stroke to it to make it very visible, because this looks very thin. Okay, I think this okay. So basically that's it. Left its contour to us. So let's quickly I will speed up the video, so let me quickly add the contact for you to see okay how the work goes out. You can see from here the contact has been added. Basically, this is how to create very simple but splendid flyer. This is a business flyer with your smartphone using Pixellab. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you all.